Doomsday Mom Lori Vallow now convicted of conspiring in the death of her fourth husband. He was killed, murdered, and she was a co-conspirator, according to the jury. But a day after the jury found her guilty, she is preparing for her second trial in Arizona.
She's accused of plotting the attempted murder of her ex-nephew-in-law back in 2019. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum joins us live with what comes next. Justin.
And we know Lori Vallow Daybell will once again represent herself as her own attorney. But this time, the alleged victim in the case is alive to tell his story to the court. His name is Brandon Boudreaux, and he plays a key role in this bizarre timeline.
What is it? It's Brandon. Brandon? I just want to verify only one shot, right? One shot.
October 2nd, 2019, Brandon Boudreaux speaks to Gilbert police moments after being shot at while driving home, the bullet missing him by inches.
They was very professional, whatever they're doing.
More than 5 years later, we know so much more. Boudreaux's former relative, Lori Vallow Daybell, is accused of conspiring with her late brother, Alex Cox, in the murder attempt. One incident tied to a series of killings Lori and her then boyfriend, Chad Daybell, have been convicted for. They murdered her two children, JJ and Tylee, in September 2019, shortly after Lori moved from Chandler to Rexburg, Idaho. Boudreaux escaped death, but in the weeks following, Lori and Chad plotted the murder of Tammy Daybell, Chad's then wife. The couple quickly married in Hawaii, while JJ and Tylee were nowhere to be seen until authorities discovered their remains on the Daybell property in June 2020.
People were dying while I was investigating, and it was just a bizarre time.
Rich Robertson is a private investigator hired by Boudreaux at the time to locate his ex-wife, Melanie, Lori's niece. Gilbert police say Lori and Chad's doomsday beliefs identified Boudreaux as a dark spirit. The suspect vehicle in the Gilbert shooting, a Jeep Wrangler that Tylee drove when she was alive.
I started tracking some of that Jeep's movements and discovered that it had been back and forth between the Phoenix area and Rexburg a couple of times. Based on Alex Cox's cell phone tracking.
Police believe the shooter was Cox, but he died in December 2019 of natural causes. Fast forward to Tuesday, Lori Vallow Daybell convicted of conspiring in the murder of her fourth husband, Charles Vallow, who was shot and killed by Cox in July of 2019. Boudreaux sent a statement to Fox 10 which says in part, "We support the decision. We stand with the truth and hope for justice, and we are grateful to the state of Arizona. Charles deserved to have the small sliver of justice. His family and all of us who love him grieve the loss of him in this life. We wish you all could have known him." Vallow Daybell is already serving 3 life sentences for the murders of JJ, Tylee, and Tammy. Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell fully intends on prosecuting her for the next murder conspiracy charge.
If it was your loved one who was killed, would you be okay with Rachel Mitchell saying, oh, somebody else got her for something else, so we're just going to ignore that?
Do you feel like Brandon deserves just as much justice as the other victims?
Absolutely. It's important to Brandon to be able to have his story vindicated.
Now, as for Vallow Daybell's latest conviction, she will be sentenced after the end of the next trial, which is slated to start on June 2nd. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.